In this episode of Sailing Doodles, we sail about 7 miles south to Koh Mak, where we enjoy the beautiful water and absolutely stunning beaches. I'd like to thank Group Island Spirit for this next series of videos. They supplied the boats we are sailing in the flotilla. One of my favorite parts of the day is the morning when the sun's coming up over a calm bay. It's absolutely beautiful. We are getting underway. Got some cameras placed, got to turn them on. So we got GoPro there, GoPro there, GoPro on the bow. Got a roaming GoPro around here somewhere. Then of course this camera. And not much wind today. Like 7-8 knots currently. Hopefully we'll be able to sail. Anyway, so we're gonna get underway and do that. We'll give you a boat tour when we get to Koh Mak. We're going from Kauai today, just around, it's 7 or 8 miles over to Koh Mak. You guys ready?
I'm ready.
Ready. All right, let's do this. As evidenced by the calm and glassy water, there was no wind that day, so there wouldn't be any sailing. But don't worry, the next day we really break into Bavaria and get some true sailing in. It was a straight shot south down to Koh Mak. When it's calm, it's relatively easy to catch the drone, but just imagine trying to do this in heavy seas or anything over 3 or 4 foot waves. It's pretty much a requirement on our boat. The first thing you do in a new anchorage is jump in the water. After getting settled in, it was off to one of the most beautiful islands and beaches I've seen, Koh Mak.
Hey, I heard you want to leave this place. That was
How well attached is that?
Yeah! Yay, thank you! Woo! Winning! Too bad I don't have a song on, huh?
All about the beach.
If only there's bananas!
Nothing to say, nothing to say.
Gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're. The river's gonna cry when you're. The river's gonna cry when you're gone. was hoping you would stay, but I've always known that you would go and find your own way. I still see when we climbed up in those trees, 12 years old, to feel the wind and watch the river run. And the sun would always shine when we sat there, you and I. The river's gonna cry when you're...
Hey, come on! We want you to come.
Wait for it.
Ooh, I tell you what, we all got sun-kissed pretty good today.
We did.
Yeah, we got some sun, but now we're on our way to watch the sunset at one of my favorite places, Coco Cape. Awesome dock. I've had high expectations for sunsets here before and been disappointed, but I've had some really good ones here too. So I think this one should be a good one.
It looks like it's setting up that way.
Yeah. So we're gonna meet the rest of the crew. They're already loading up in their dinghy and head over.
Do the pre-sunset, I guess.
Yeah.
Little swipe. Sorry. Would anybody like to ride? That kayak is in all the wrong places.
I got you. I'm in.
Watch me, just follow every move. Touch me, let me know you want it too. Don't know what you need.
It was a great place to watch the sunset, but we wanted to head across the bay before it got dark so we could head to dinner.
No, we don't have to leave. The night is still young.
All right, so guys, thank you for showing up for dinner.
My
doing
wine
this.
didn't get here yet.
We'll try to. Yeah, cheers. Well, some of these people you've seen before, some you haven't, but we'll try to introduce them as the week goes on. So thank you guys.
Thank you.
Doodles! Thank you so much to our patrons. You guys are what make these videos possible.